In the quiet of the night, I wander through the mist. Ancient stones whisper tales of time so distant. Moonlight dances on the water, stars above in sight. A journey through the past, where secrets softly sit. With every step I take through the old and new lands, the echoes of the past, they guide my wandering hands. In the heart of the night I find the path so grand, a Celtic trip, hop trip through time, through space, through sand. Through the fields of green, under the old oak's shade, I hear the songs of the ancestors. In the wind they're made, the rivers flow with stories ancient and profound. In every note, in every tune, I find the world around. By the light of the fire, we share our ancient lore, each tale a map to follow through every winding shore. In the rhythm of the drums, in the strings so sweet, we journey far and wide, where the spirits dwell and meet. The violin sings softly, like the sea's gentle lullaby. The guitar's melody follows as the moon starts to fly through the forest deep, where the spirits roam and play. I walk the path of knowledge, where the old ones stay. With every step